Hey, good morning. Hey, we're on a special mission today. We're on a special mission today. We're heading up to St. Mary's Hospital in Philadelphia for some extra special secret training, right?
Yep, right.
All right, so we're going to try and document this on the way up. We'll talk to you soon. Let's go.
All right.
All right, guys.
Bye.
All right, Aunt. See ya. All right, here we go. All right, it's going to be an exciting time. We're pretty psyched about getting up here. We've got a lot going on. Today is a special day for us here at Buckley's as we start to work with the team at St. Mary's. And yeah, true. Auto repair and a hospital come together. Crazy, right? It's going to be fun.
gonna be
a
good.
lot of fun, a lot of fun. Okay, signing off for now. Welcome to Philadelphia. Smokestacks, skyscrapers, and the Philadelphia Eagles. All right, here we are at St. Mary's, ready to rock and roll. Getting out of the parking garage here. We're gonna be walking down. Again, it's something like totally new. We're gonna be outside, so we gotta make sure we're warm. Got all of our good stuff. Oh man. Everything?
Yes.
All good? Yeah, I gotta lock the truck here. Where my keys are at. I didn't bring any gloves.
Okay. I might have an extra pair.
Yeah. So now we go down the floor. And then, it's gonna be a long day, I think. Cold day.
It'll be cold if we're outside the whole
It
time.
will be. Well, we got our, and there she is. There's Kim.
There we go. I'm scared. Where's that going?
No, just go. We're just making a clip about how we've come up to do the car fit program and how excited we are to launch it at Buckley's Auto Care full time. So this is gonna be great. We're gonna have a great time, right, Michelle?
Right.
Exactly. So coming
Ready to
soon
roll.
at Buckley's. Now we're going to have to do the real test. All right. Okay. Day is done. Moving out. Now we're out to the car fit program. Ending. Oh, here she comes. Here comes Sean. Yep. Now let's find our way out of here. Okay, that was good. That was good. We learned a lot. We're going to be ahead of everything. Now we got to do is just get the state to kind of like do a lot of stuff. Who knows? We got to take the elevator. This is where I got lost. Cold. It's a cold one now. So we got to take the truck.
Do you have remote start?
No, I don't. No remote start here. Just because it's 20 degrees. Are you kidding me? It's not bad. And the fun begins. Lessons on car fit, right? You want to go for it? Huh?
Do you want me in the? You want me in there, or you want to be in?
I'll get in.
Okay.
All right.
Is the steering wheel properly? Is the steering wheel tilt position? Okay. Say yes. Okay.
Now I'm most comfortable here,
Okay.
but I can start the vehicle and straighten the wheel out.
Okay. Just checking to see
So-
if the steering wheel is tilted towards your chest, and it is, and that's good. Not towards your head. We don't want to have your head injured if the
No,
airbag should happen to go off.
I don't want an injured head.
And it appears that you are the distance between. Now I can't remember if this is where I'm supposed to be. Steering wheel position. I can't remember if this is where I'm supposed to be doing this, or let's see. Line of sight above the steering. Okay, it does do it later. I'm sorry.